In this video, I am going to unbox and review the Soundpeats TrueFree Plus wireless earbuds. I will be showing you guys a demonstration of connecting these earbuds to an Android device in mono and stereo mode. If you find this video helpful, click on that subscribe button. Let's dive right into the video. Guys, first of all, let's have a look around the Soundpeats TrueFree Plus wireless earbuds packaging. As you all can see, it has a black and blue themed packaging with a modern Soundpeats logo, and it says True Wireless Without Bondage. On the sides of the packaging, the regulatory information, the location of the manufacturer, the support email of the manufacturer, and the website of the manufacturer has been mentioned. I will be leaving the Soundpeats contact email and the website in the description down below. Guys, now let's begin the unboxing of the packaging. Guys, I had an impressive experience unboxing these wireless earbuds. With the first look into the box, you will be able to see some QR codes to follow Soundpeats on social media. There's a nice piece of sponge to cover the charging dock, and then you will be able to see the charging dock placed perfectly into the box. Guys, now let's have a quick look around the charging dock and come back to it later on. Guys, in my opinion, the design of the charging dock is between okay and good in this price range. When diving further into the box, you will be getting a rectangular shaped packaging in it, which contains different sizes of ear tips and the micro USB charging cable. Guys, let's have a quick look on the ear tips and the micro USB charging cable. Guys, if you guys are satisfied with this micro USB cable, or you guys prefer a longer micro USB cable, and for this price range, should it have a USB Type-C power connector? Leave it in the comment section down below. Let's dive further into the packaging. You will be getting an instruction manual, a card which mentions the features you get when you purchase Soundpeats products, some charging tips, and an information about Soundpeats logo update. Speaking about the Soundpeats logo update, they have printed their old logo as well as the new logo. Soundpeats has advised that for the safety of charging, you should not use an adapter which will output more than 5 volt 1 ampere. Guys, if you would like to purchase this product, I will leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. If you guys are satisfied with the product, you can share your experience on Amazon, and if it is not as expected, you can send an email to Soundpeats. Coming to the charging dock, it has a clean matte finish with 2 LED indicators and a micro USB charging port. The charging dock has an 800 mAh battery capacity. The charging case has the capacity to charge the earbuds around 9 to 10 times. When the charging dock is fully charged, 2 green LED lights will be indicated, and when it is low on battery, both indicators will flash in green 5 times every 20 seconds. The charging dock has a stylish striped cover with Soundpeats on the center of it. It's pretty nice to see it like that. While the earbuds are charging, it will be visible through the charging dock's cover. I'll show that in a while. You will be frequently taking the earbuds out and putting it back in. It is a plus point that it is pretty much easy to open. As my first look into the charging dock, the earbuds are well positioned inside the charging dock. Let's have a look around the charging dock while it is open. Then you will be able to get an idea on how well it is placed. In my opinion, I like the placement of the earbuds into the charging dock. Guys, once I finish about the charging dock, I will be talking about the earbuds itself. Guys, a magnet holds the earbuds well placed into the charging dock, so for this price range, having a feature like that is a gain for us. Guys, this is how it looks into the charging dock without the earbuds. You can see that it's mentioned right and the left also with the golden charging contacting pins. Guys, now I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of how the magnets holds the earbuds. As you all can see, when you take it close to the contacting pins, the magnet retains the earbuds. While the earbuds are charging, it will emit a red LED as the indicator of charging. Guys, to say the truth, Soundpeats has done a really great job here. So while you close the charging dock while the earbuds are charging, the charging indicator can be seen. So if you purchase this device, that will be an advantage. Guys, I have been talking about the charging of the earbuds. So finally to say, after the earbuds are fully charged, it will emit a white LED for 1 minute and the white LED will go off. So guys, that's it about the charging dock. Now moving to the earbuds. First of all, I need to talk about the size of the earbuds. I know what you guys are thinking. Yes guys, I agree that it is thick than the other earbuds available in the market today. In these close-up shots, you guys can have a detailed view on the earbud. Now moving to the specifications of this earbud. It has a Realtek 8763 BFR Bluetooth chipset with Bluetooth 5.0. Guys, without any obstacles, within 30 feet distance, it works very well without any issues guys. Talking about the playtime of this device, it's around 3.5 to 4 hours guys. The charging time of this earbuds is 1.5 hours. Remember guys, with a full charge of charging dock, you can charge this device 8 to 10 times without any issues. The weight of the earbud is only 4.7 grams guys. I want to share my experience when I first wore these earbuds. So when I first wore these, I had the volume at around 75%. When the people in front of me was speaking to me, I did not hear whatever they said. In higher levels of volume, you can have a great music experience without the environment noise. Guys, now I am going to show you guys how it will look like when you wear these earbuds. What is up guys? This is the audio review of Soundpeats TrueFree Plus wireless earphones. So this is the audio quality of this device. You all can get an idea how this microphone is. So what do you guys think about this microphone? Is it good or bad? For me, it's okay guys. It's not bad. It's okay for this price range. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section down below. See you guys. Guys, now I'm going to show you all to connect these earbuds to your Android device in mono mode and stereo mode. Let's begin with the mono mode. First of all, press the multifunction button on your earbuds and make sure the both earbuds are flashing red and white. Then on your Android device, open Bluetooth settings. Then click on pair new device. Then you will see two devices to connect, that is Soundpeats TrueFree Plus R and Soundpeats TrueFree Plus L. First of all, you need to connect the Soundpeats TrueFree Plus L so that it will connect to the left earbud in mono mode. And if you want to connect the right earbud into the mono mode, make sure both earbuds are flashing red and white and just choose Soundpeats TrueFree Plus R and it will be connected in mono mode. Now I am going to show you guys to connect these earbuds in stereo mode. Let's begin. Make the right earbud's LED indicator flash red and white and then press the left earbud's multifunction button for about 3 seconds. It will flash in white, then it will be connected to the right earbud. Now click on pair a new device and choose Soundpeats TrueFree Plus R. Guys, now the earbuds will be connected in stereo mode. If you find this video helpful, click on that subscribe button, that will help this channel a lot. If you want more videos like this video, share with your friends. If you have any questions, we can discuss it in the comment section down below. In this channel there are more videos on Bluetooth earbuds, make sure to check it out. See you guys in another video.